Hello, I'm Farhan
Hello, I'm Tushar.
and we are from Skyward. This one's topic is dilemmas in educational ecosystem, and this week we are going on with a very interesting topic, that is, does parental counseling do more harm than good? So let me ask you, Tushar, can a parent counseling or a parent as a first counselor change a person's direction of life in a good or bad way? What do you think?
Okay, Farhan. So, according to me, parents are the one who knows their child best.
Okay.
So they give them advice, and for that particular child, it is the truth of their life. Okay.
Correct.
So by all this, we can say that parents are the one who act or are actually the best counselor for a particular child. And yes, by this I mean that if it is done in a right or a wrong way, it can change the career or you can say the direction of the career of a child's life. Okay, Farhan. So let me ask you a question to you that will clear the doubts of the viewers. That how a parent may counsel their children.
Okay, that's a nice question actually. Let me tell you first that this is my opinion. Okay, according to me, a parent is fully self-sufficient to advise his or her child and can counsel them actually in any way possible, because they will give the best advice in the world for their child. Okay, it according to me it cannot be wrong. Okay, whatever they tell, it's the best advice or suggestion in their life. It can be the best one. Okay, but to do it in a standardized way where the knowledge of a person can lack in some or the other way. Every person cannot be expert in every field. Okay,
Exactly.
so when we say this thing that if a person is lacking in some or the other area, okay, I mean to say that he's not an expert of that part of life, okay, or that sector of education or career or anything.
Okay.
So at that point of time, I feel that a standardization should be made that a parent, mother or father, he should consult an expert person of that matter. It can be a career advice, or it can be any other part of life of their children. Okay, they should consult with an expert, okay, of that area. They should get advice and opinions from about the same topic from 2 to 3 people.
Yeah,
okay,
exactly.
and they should make a scale that this is the best one for their child, because whole of their children life is dependent on that area.
Exactly.
I'm talking about the crucial decisions.
Yeah,
I'm not
crucial.
talking about day-to-day affairs. I'm talking about the crucial decisions that a child has to go through, which can change the direction of their life. Okay, so when we say about this, they should go to many people and they should get advice from many people and many experts. When you do this thing, you are doing the best thing for your children's life, because this advice or suggestion will change his or her life for good and bad. Okay, so you must have this expert opinion and advices which will determine the future of your children's life. Okay, and I shall conclude all these things by saying that rather than being the first counselor, be the first friend in their life. Okay, whom he is comfortable to go to whenever he's in trouble. Okay, he should get that kind of comfort from you, that he is coming to you, that at any point of time, he or she is coming to you at any point of time and discussing that this is my problem, what should I do. Okay, he should be frank enough, he should be comfortable enough to come to you at any situation or any point of time. Okay, you should become that friend.
It was quite insightful that you told about the standardization part. Plus, you also told about parents should be a friend rather than a counselor first,
Correct.
so that the child could feel comfortable talking with him. That's great, and I completely agree to all the points. So let's conclude this video.
Yes, surely. But before that, I want to tell to ask to our viewers
Okay.
that you tell your your part of life where your parents have given you some suggestion or idea which changed your life entirely. Not the small ones, but the big ones which change the direction of your life. That what kind of advice was that? Was that good or bad or whatever it is? Tell your advice. That tell your part of life or the decision what they gave you. Okay. Then we can conclude with this one. That a question is there with you. Do tell us in the comment section.
So if you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, do subscribe it and let us know your thoughts and your views about this particular video. You will also find a Google form in every video's description, so fill that and do let us know your innovative ideas about the education technology that can help our education system thrive. So let's conclude this video. This is Tushabis
I'm Farhan.
signing off.
Thank you.